She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today this is our model for today. So guys, follow me as we capture this image. And also the light setup we're using is a one light setup and a reflector, and also we're gonna be using a smoke machine and a smooth light, you understand. So guys, follow me as we embark on this journey. Let's go.
She's a diamond in the rough, shining bright. A woman like her, she's a beautiful sight. She's breaking molds, she's breaking rules. In a world that tries to push her down, she won't lose. She's standing tall, she's standing strong. In a world that tells her she...
So guys, at this point we'll be introducing a backlight. So you can see the people with the backlight, and also using a perfume kind of to create a smoke effect at the back of the model. Hello guys, we'll be coming to the end of this. So this is the result.
Breaking barriers, reaching goals, she's on a roll. She's a diamond in the rough, shining.
So guys, tell me your favorite picture here and drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.